Okay, everyone. Hey, Jay Smith back again. Had a lot of comments and questions about my simulator, and so I wanted to kind of do some close-up stuff here and just kind of show you what's going on and try to help some of the comments and questions. First off, see that hole? Yeah, so we had a little issue with the plexiglass, and it's my fault. We did have a sky shot that went through the plexiglass. Actually, what's kind of funny is it went under the plexiglass. You can see that I had left a little hole here. I had this flipped over this way. It actually went under the plexiglass, hit it perfectly on the end and shattered, and put a little hole in it. We then let it open and we had another one that hit it. That's my fault. So the question I had was, how did I wrap these net return side shields? How did I get these wrapped around? Basically, as you can see here, I've just overlapped them around the back of my EMT tubing. I know a lot of people have said you shouldn't use metal, and I understand, but it's just the way that I did it on my first try. I've just wrapped these over the top and back around, as you can see, did that on both sides, and then tied those into my net. I'm stretching, not my net, my screen. I'm stretching the screen on its own independently. And you know, that's how I've tied these side shields in. You know, I've had a lot of questions about how far I am away from the actual impact screen. You know, a lot of people I see put theirs about right here, which is about 5 to 6 feet. That's fine. I don't think you're going to be in any issue there. For me, myself, I've put mine back, as I've shown on other videos, about 10 feet. That's just where basically mine fit with my projector so that I didn't have a shadow from my head, you know, or the club coming into the screen when we were playing. So if you've taken any tips from me on, you know, wanting to put a TV above your SkyTrack, one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just extend this cross beam that you can see here. I'm going to go ahead and extend it out probably another 3 feet and extend my overhang this way. Go ahead and put a little bit more plexiglass, a little better plexiglass to protect my TV. You know, obviously I'm, you know, I guess not that bright that I decided to put a TV directly above where we're hitting, but hey, lesson learned. You know, some other questions I've had here is, you know, what did I do as far as folding the EMT over? You know, basically I built this big square, this I don't know, I think it's like 8 by 10, 8 by 9 square out of this EMT tubing. And then I built another independent, I guess you'd say probably 3 by 8, 3 by 9 piece that I have flipped over the top here. You know, like I said, I bought a screen that was a little larger than I needed, and so that's what allowed me to be able to fold it over the top here, as you can see. And you know what I'm going to do, actually, this is getting a little bit dirty. You can see all the kind of some of the marks on it. For this next season, I'm actually going to just flip the entire screen around and be using this portion will be flipped over on the bottom right here where we're at. Questions on my inserts, I hope that I helped you with that. I buy them off of eBay. Like I said, the only reason that I do have 2 is because we play a lot, and you know, I never wanted to just, you know, be playing it around and have something completely, you know, rip open and us have to end the round. So I actually need to replace this one. So what I did was I actually put in 2, and you know, for that reason there, if one does get messed up a little bit, all we have to do is flip the entire mat system around. This thing is heavy. You saw my other videos about this mat system that I've built myself. It's heavy. I've got a lot of material in it. It's still holding up very, very well. But hopefully that helps you out. I bought these independent net return side shields, and I've just kind of tacked it in. They come with these little bags that you can put bricks in. I actually just screwed it right in the end of my mat right there, and then just wrapped it around the edge. So anyway, hope this helps. Continue to comment and subscribe. I appreciate it. Thank you.